Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile. I thought that it was smart. Stay in my lane. Always hit the mark. Thought that was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play.
Alright, y'all, so look, we are in my closet, my small closet. As y'all can see, it is a mess. I just been throwing things in here. So today we are going to get this closet together. I'm gonna do a few things different. As you can see, I have this IKEA lag shelf. I'm going to hang this up, and this light fixture here, I'm going to spray paint this black. And this right here, it used to be right here, and I moved it here. So what I'm gonna do with this is I'm going to get all this stuff organized over here. And I have this picture that I purchased from Burlington. I'm going to hang this up. And I also have, well, you see the lighting here. I have these under the cabinet lighters. I have some more that I'm going to put in here. And yeah, I'm going to get all my clothes organized, and I'm going to clean this closet out, and just, you know, just get everything together for fall, winter. And my mirror, I had a mirror on this door. It fell off, so I'm going to put my mirror back on this door. And yeah, y'all, so if you want to see how I created this closet, I have a video up on my channel showing you how I made this closet over. So if you want to see that video, I'm going to leave a link down below. But for now, we're going to get this closet together. We're going to do a little bit of refreshing. So if you are here for it and you want some motivation, then this is the video for you. Alright, y'all, so through the magic of YouTube, I got mostly everything out of the closet, but it doesn't matter. I'm not really worried about getting everything out, because to hang this, and as you can see, I took the shade down. I took it downstairs and I spray painted it. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hang this up.
That was the way to get a head start. Perfection's the play. I had the leading part.
So I assembled this IKEA lag shelf off camera, but I still need to put the bottom shelf on. And after I put that on, I'll be able to screw the shelf to the wall.
I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. I got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. I got so overworking every situation, keeping track of what everybody's doing. Do they have something I lack? I try to prove I could be just as good, but I misunderstood what it's supposed to be about. Realize you never get a medal in the end. No, no one's gonna give you any credit. I was playing a game, but no one seemed to participate, and I can't believe I got so judgy. I don't know what got into me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so judgy, making sure nobody got above me. Can't believe I let it get so ugly. I let it go too far. Got so coloring inside of the lines.
ready to see what the closet looks like?
I should've known better, Aisha. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out.
Y'all, so now I'm gonna talk about some of the stuff that I have in my room. I got this perfume from my cousin Piana on YouTube. It's the Bombshell Victoria's Secret. It smells so good. And this planner, I made it. I used a Sephora bag, and I put some cardboard inside of it to make it sturdy. And I just put the plant that I got from IKEA inside of it. And then down here, I have my perfumes. I don't have a lot, but this is a picture of my grandfather. His name is Earl Purnell. He died in 2011. He was like my father, and I miss him so much. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for this spot here. And up here, I have a picture of me and my daughter. This was 2014. This is my oldest daughter, Shatia. And yeah, y'all. So up there, I have my baskets, my wicker baskets. You know, I'm thinking about spray painting them black. Y'all know I love a good can of spray paint. Spray paint will make everything better. And so right here, I have my mini travel size perfumes. Some of them I got from Scentbird. And I also have some oils. See the lampshade? I spray painted that black. And I like how that came out. I really like it better than the natural. I'm thinking about spray painting the baskets black, because I think it would look so much better. But y'all let me know what y'all think about my closet so far. I'm gonna have to do a part 2, because if I did the other side, if I showed y'all the other side in this video, it would be too long. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.